In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ChatGPT more factual. We all love using ChatGPT for quick chats or brainstorming ideas, but ensuring the information it provides is factually accurate can really enhance its usefulness. So let's dive into how you can do this. First, you'll need to start by opening up your internet browser and heading over to Google. Typing Google in your browser's address bar should take you straight there. Google is a great place to begin any search because it's likely the most comprehensive search engine we have. Once you've accessed Google, the next step is to type ChatGPT into the search box. Doing so will help you find the ChatGPT website quickly and easily. As simple as this might sound, starting from a search engine ensures you get the most recent and relevant link, especially if any updates or changes have been made to the site. After you've hit enter and your search results have loaded, look for a link that takes you directly to the ChatGPT website. It's usually one of the first listings, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Click on this link, and this should take you to the official ChatGPT site where the real work begins. Now, here's where things get a bit more interactive. On the ChatGPT site, you'll want to begin crafting your prompt. This is a crucial step. To ensure the results from ChatGPT are factual, it's important to be specific with your prompts. Instead of using broad terms, narrow it down as much as possible. For example, rather than typing just fasting, specify the particular method of fasting you want to learn about. Specificity is key in guiding the AI to pull from the more accurate data in its repository. With your specific prompt ready, go ahead and click the Submit button. This is where the magic happens. By using a precise prompt, you're enabling ChatGPT to process your request by focusing on providing the most accurate and relevant information it can find. Finally, after you've submitted your prompt, ChatGPT will get to work delivering a more factually accurate response. This careful targeting allows the AI to sift through its data and provide details that align closely with what you're looking for. If you find any part of the response unclear, don't hesitate to refine your prompt to obtain even clearer information. And there you have it. A simple but effective way to enhance the factual accuracy of ChatGPT's responses. By following these steps, you can create precise, informed interactions with AI, enabling you to use this tool more efficiently in your daily tasks. I hope you found these tips helpful and can incorporate them into your use of ChatGPT. Happy chatting!